Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 对不起. I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. Let's read it together. 对不起的位对不起 So we need to pay attention. 不 need to light and short. 不对不起 Very good. Now, bring your finger, write it with Sunny. First, we write 对横撇点横竖钩点 and 不横撇竖点 Very good. Let's write 起横竖横竖横撇捺横折横竖弯钩对不起 How we use it? 对不起 has two important meanings. First one is when you think you did something wrong, you need to say 对不起 to other people. For example, 对不起，我迟到了 Sorry, I'm late. Or 对不起，我错了 Sorry, I'm wrong. Second meaning is when other people ask you to do something, you cannot do it. You want to reject them, so you can say 对不起 before you explain the reason. So, for example, 对不起，我明天要上课 Yes, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.